This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning, guys. It is December 17th, 2018. This one here I got a call from a customer of mine's a landlord at this place. He says the first floor kitchen sink's got a leak under it. So it was Saturday afternoon he called me. So he told me to go by there Monday morning. He'll have him shut the water off to it. So I'm on my way there now. It's Monday morning. Might be the drain. Could be anything. I'm on our way there now. Miss Molly's back on the job. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Yeah, we'll try to get you some shots when we get there, see if something interesting.
Turn left on Allen Street.
Look at that, it's bubbling right out of the top of that thing. That's not good. Wow. Looks like that rotted away or something. Alright, I just cut that ferrule off of there. The nut might have been... It seemed to be tight. I'll put a new one on, a new nut and ferrule on there, see if it's any good. I did try taking it apart up top there, but I mean, it's just choked. Crusty. Ain't no Taj Mahal here, Mama. I did put pipe dope on that ferrule when I tightened it. I'm sure it was nice and tight. It should be alright now. More leaks. I did have to ask her for a towel. I could lay in here, it was all wet. Ain't so pretty, is it? I got the cold valve open all the way. No flow. Hot's fine. Nothing on a cold. So I don't know, maybe that washer broke off in there. I'll have to shut the main off and check it. That seems fine. It's got to be up in the faucet somewhere. We'll have to replace the faucet, looks like. The water's fine. We can take the faucet apart and clean it, we'll see, maybe. They're both shut off, both faucets shut off down there, see if we can. Probably gonna have to replace the faucet. Get it off there. It's gonna have to go. She's choked. I'm gonna put a new one in there, that's all. One in there. Okay, guys, I got two new supplies. I got a new faucet here, Gerber. I got the old one out. I couldn't even get the handle off, so the blockage is in here in the cold, I think. So we'll put the new one in. All right, let's try it now. Is it cold? Is it hot? I put some new supplies in there too, so. sure it stops dripping. Alright, so I ain't got no leaks. I did put a little tighter. Kick the hose spray over so it won't get hooked on the valve. This is all secure good. You want me to put the stuff back under the sink, or you want me to leave it out for your mom?
Just leave it out because she'll never...
You might want to wash under there.
Yes,
Well, I got the big stuff on there, but it'll be alright.
the biggest one's all set.
It's all set. My buddy, Miss Molly. How's it going there, Miss Woman? Huh? Miss Molly? Got your heater on? I didn't want to leave the truck running in this neighborhood. Oh, no, I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. Did you miss Daddy? I know you missed me. You can tell. I can tell you missed me. I can tell you missed me. Oh, yeah, I know it. You love Daddy. Oh, yeah, I know it. You love Daddy. Oh, I know you do. A little electric blanket going on there, nice and toasty with the electric blanket.